MCQ same 2. This is for practice paper. If A and B are symmetric matrices of the same order, then AB is symmetric matrix. A minus B is a skew symmetric matrix. This is skew symmetric matrix. AB plus BA is symmetric matrix and AB minus BA is symmetric matrix. So answer is AB plus BA is the symmetric matrix. Question number 2. If A is equal to 32x plus 3x minus 1x plus 2 is symmetric matrix, then x is equal to, so answer is minus 4. Question number 3. If A is square matrix, then A minus A dash means complements of A is a, what is this? This is skew symmetric matrix. This is skew symmetric matrix. You have given answer here. Okay. Skew symmetric matrix. Then question number 4. Question number 4. For any square matrix A in comma AAT means transport. Okay, is a, options are following, is a symmetric matrix. Okay, symmetric matrix. Answer is symmetric matrix. Question number 5. If a matrix A is both symmetric and skew symmetric, then answer is A is zero matrix. Okay, A is zero matrix. Answer is B. Okay, then next page. If A square minus A plus I is equal to 0, then the inverse of A is, his answer is A 1 minus A. Okay. Question number 7. Total number of possible matrices of order 3 by 3 with each entry or 2 or 0 is, answer is 5 1 2. Total number of possible matrices of order 3 means 3 rows and 3 column. Each entry 2 or 0 means इथे काय येणार 3/3 चा मॅट्रिक्स असेल आणि इच एंट्री काय 2 2 2 म्हणजेच तो मॅट्रिक्स सेम असेल किंवा मग 0 असेल. तर त्याचा आन्सर येणार 5 12. क्वेश्चन नंबर 7. Question number 7. If A is a matrix of order m by n and B is a matrix such that AB complement and B complement A are both defined, then the order of matrix B is m by n. M is row and n is column. Then question number 8. If A and B are matrices of the same order, then AB dash minus BA dash is a skew symmetric matrix. Answer is skew symmetric matrix. Okay. Then question number 9. The covariance means covariance is, what is this? All of these. A measure of strength of relationship between the two variable. Okay. Dependent on units measurement of variable. It is also true. And understand version of correlation coefficient. All is correct. In question number 10. How much variance has been explained by correlations of 9? So answer is 11. Okay. Answer is 11. 81. Sorry. 81. 9 square is 81. So question number 11. A correlation of 7 was found between the spent studying and percent age of an exam. What is the proportion of variance in exam score that can be explained by the time spent studying? The answer is 49. Okay, 49 answer B. Question number 12. A scatter diagram may reveal at the direction of relationship. Second is strength of relationship, and answer is the all of above. All of above. Question number 13. A correlation coefficient of 1 indicates perfect correlation. Okay, perfect correlation. Answer. This is the answer. Perfect correlation. Question number 14. The number of units that regression line moves on y-axis for each unit it moves along the axis is called slope. Okay. Answer is C. Slope. Question number 15. The value of coefficient of determination, that is denoted by r square, ranges from here 0 to 1. Answer is 0 to 1. Okay. Question number 16. A simple index number is a number that measures a relative change in what is single variable with respect to base. Single variable with respect to base. This is the answer. Question number 17. A composite index number is a number that measures an average relative change. Answer is in a group relative variable that with respect to a base. This is the answer. Question number 18. Price index number measures the changes in relative changes in a price of commodities between two periods. Okay, this is the answer. A number answer. Then question 19. Aggregative method is further divided into how many types? Then two types. Aggregative method of further divided into how many types? There are two types of method. Okay. Last is question 20. Passes formula is type of weighted aggregative formula. This is the answer. Weighted aggregative formula. Thank you.